there, Devin Thompson here with Patriot Awning Company. Wanted to thank everybody for checking out our YouTube channels, the likes, the subscribes, the love we've been shown. We really appreciate it. Today we are in Pawleys Island, South Carolina, and we offer a variety of architectural aluminum products. These are decorative hurricane shutters. These decorative hurricane shutters come with adjustable pro arms that can be removed at the back or the front. You can drop them down and you can clamp them at the wall so you can close these. These are not impact rated. We do sell impact rated shutters as well, but this is a type of project, you know, we come out to the beach for larger projects. We wouldn't come out for just one or two of these unless you wanted to pay an exorbitant amount of money for them. But just wanted to show you guys one of the unique products that we offer. Thanks again for checking out our YouTube channel. We're gonna go hit the beach.